now we'll get into this. Guess what it is?
Okay, you have to show that around first before you open it. The box how it comes in and explain it.
This is the front side, and this is the back side. And it was open it.
Okay, go ahead.
And then I gotta use my hands for the shape.
Excited?
I'll just leave it. There we go.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Do you want people to interact with you there?
I guess so. I think that's just what do that. The moment made true, guys.
Let's see what it is.
Yeah. Okay, what do you open it at?
You have to figure it out. You have to find out and explain how you're opening it.
I think I think I know. I think I know now. Here. Oh, there's a piece.
Is it giving you a hard time?
It is. I don't know why they put so much tape on it.
I think there's another tape right there.
Thank you. My it fell on me. Okay, there we go. I'll just stab it in there. There you go.
Okay. What does it say? Recognize your team.
I want to get that one.
Let's see what it is.
Okay. First, I'm gonna pull out the emergency thing. Cause you know.
What is that?
Let's see. But I can't get it open.
Okay, you don't open that. That's okay. That's just a pack for it.
Okay, this is the playbook, and I think.
Okay, wait, flip it over. Can we see it? What is it? What is it? Is it cool?
Show it.
What does it say on it? It says... The Brick Owl, 6914, for passing 100,000 followers.
Okay, what is it?
Comes with a card.
Yeah, because I thought. Is this phone? Phone? Okay. What is this?
And it's probably from the award. It says, Dear... This is the card it comes with. Do you remember your first subscriber?
Thank you.
So here it actually asks you some questions here. Let's see. It says, do you remember your first subscriber?
Yes.
You do? Do you remember your 100th subscriber? Or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber.
Thank you for all the support.
Okay, show it off. Show it again. Cool.